Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix EA app not launching. And to do this, first let's try opening our task manager. You can do it by right-clicking on your Windows taskbar. Then when it's open, navigate to the details, and inside we'll be able to find eadesktop.exe. Now we can right-click on it and end the task. Nice and fast. Okay, let's end the process. And now the app has been closed. You can try to relaunch it. Maybe it will work. If not, then let's go back to the browser. Right here, download the EA app. You can do it by going through the ea.com website, then experiences and the EA app. Right here we'll be able to download it. When it's downloaded, just open the file and launch the EA app or try to repair it. After that, it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.